Stand up for a dream and success. This ain't not because you put yourself in your own hand and not give up at any cause they leave for people of the success. Man, I follow my name. Since my master, man, I will never be the slave. Push my shot to the DRE. What's the time that you ever can be smaller than you come in there? I have no lie. The silence and the more of a man, you can have a who you come out and shot and I will lead him to my head. All I can say, I will just keep on running. This is shield, be a hero from his hero to hero. Who knows that if I die, then it does. Let's thank you so much.